A circus performer. Well, they climb ladders and do things.
Matter of fact, I climbed the ladder up to get you your keys into there.
Thank you. Oh, wow, Dylan. We're going to have to go through this and see, what you want. I know you want. Right?
Two of them. There's one of each. Yeah, you can each wear one.
Okay.
Grandpa doesn't get out that easy.
All right. Okay, Dylan, here. We're going to wear it on top of that? There you go. Okay.
Dylan, I heard you might want to go for a ride one time. Might want to do something like that. All right?
This is just too cool.
I got the latest records we all know. We can dance to the radio. I know that everything will turn out right. Just walk down my street to the party lights. Come on, come along. Tonight is the night. Hey, Sharon. I got the latest records we all know.
Okay, you guys all ready back there?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Dylan, how about you?
I'm ready.
I heard you loud and clear, Dylan.
Hey, good.
Gotta make sure we don't talk to each other. Music's loud.
Yeah.
Sirens going.
Picture the world as a great big giant beach ball bouncing around on a great big sunny day. When you see it spin, all the colors blend. One day, we'll all live as friends. Picture the world as a great big giant pizza, topped with 100 million different things. When you take a bite, everything tastes right. One day,
It's very special.
we'll no longer fight.
It's a special ride.
We're going to Colomina.
Picture the world as a great big giant planet, floating around in a great big Milky Way.
Technically, you're at a North Korea.
Paradise is here, where we hold each other.
Thank you very much.
Welcome back.
One day, I believe it's here. I believe it's here.
Stereo.
One more. All right.
That's it?
That's it.